Hi, it's time for a music and sound video. This is going to be very brief. On the workbench I have three, count them, three music and sound intercoms. One here, and one back here that just fell over. This is to clarify model numbers because this gets a little confusing sometimes. I talked to a potential customer this week and we had sort of a round and round about the model that he actually had. So this one here in the front, which is gold and black, this is a model N350. When this was replaced with the new model. This is an MC350. And if you look very carefully, you can rewind the video a little bit, you'll notice that this MC350 looks every bit like the N350 because these are cousin models. The MC350 came out in the early 1990s, like 90 or 91, and it was sort of a rehash of the N350. So those are cousin models. They share almost everything between the two different models. The circuit boards are all fundamentally the same, not exactly, but pretty close. And I think this represents a modernization of how music and sound was going to manufacture intercoms going forward. Behind that we have, we'll move it up so you can see it a little better. This is an MC350A model, A like Apple. And this is where the confusion comes in because I had a customer call me this week and he said, I have an MC350. And I was thinking this, but he was thinking this because this is what he has. Now this is a used one, of course. It's all yellowed. It's missing knobs and things. It's a parts unit more than anything else. But it's an MC350A. And the differences are, while it takes the same spot in the product lineup of the MC350 and also the early N350, it was an all-new design based around a microprocessor that's on the display board here that controls all the functions. It has room control switches. The layout of the faceplate is much more like the upcoming MC series, the MC302, 602, 702, 902s, and 960s, which you never see. So it was a model that bridged the gap between this and everything that would come after it. As near as I can tell, these were only made for maybe 3 years, not very long. And you don't see them that often, but it was a big step forward, paving the way for all the MC models that would come after it. If you have an MC350, you have one of these. If you have an MC350, you have one of those. These two models, this one and this one, share nothing in common at all. This one, designed on a clean sheet of paper, started from scratch, has features like the previous models, but completely different design, completely different master station, has nothing to do with any previous models. It also has nothing to do with any models that would come out after it. And that's what this video is about. If you have one that looks like this, it's an MC350A. That's it. Hope for some of you this will be helpful. If it is, give it a thumbs up on YouTube because that helps us a little bit. There'll be a banner right here that shows you how to subscribe. Go to our YouTube homepage, click on the bell, and when you click on the bell, click on it to receive all notifications. And every time we post a new video, you'll get a notification and you can watch it. That's all for today. See you on the next video.